Hello to all. This is Talha, and we are going to begin our journey to become a full stack web developer. So, what is it? And why are we going to do this? What's the reason behind all this? So, first of all, coding for all the channel means that it doesn't matter if you have ever written a single line of code or not, but this will be history up till now. Now you are going to change your path, you are going to change your history, you are going to change your background, and you will be able to code like a full stack web developer. Obviously, you won't become a certified because I won't be able to give you a certificate, or you won't be getting a certificate just because you are learning it on YouTube. But I assure you one thing, that once you follow all the videos, perform all the tasks that I have planned, and if we all cooperate well, we will be doing all of those exercises and the projects. And once you are done with each one of the tasks that we are going to do, you will become a full stack web developer. It doesn't matter what your field is, because I'm economics major, and if I can do this, why can't you? So what are we going to learn? What we will learn, that we will be able to build any website, craft a portfolio website, and you'll be able to land a job of junior developer. You will be able to make full-fledged websites, web apps, even if you are making for your own startup, your business, or for your company. What else you can do? You can become a freelancer and you can sell your services. You will become master of backend development with Node. Don't be afraid of the terms, because I was afraid too, but we will learn all this time by time. Together, we will move together forward. You will be able to become a front-end developer with React, and you will learn many new things. Just read these points, because otherwise you'll get very boring. So what will be our syllabus or table of content? This is what I have planned, and let's see how are we going to move forward. Front-end development, HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, JavaScript, what else? I hope that you can read all this. Even I can't pronounce some of the names, so don't mind it. But we will be able to do all this, don't worry. So how are we going to learn? We will have three approaches. We are going to challenge ourselves, we are going to have coding exercises, and we will learn while doing the real world projects, because I believe that we learn more by implementing than by just idle sitting or listening and learning. And I will try my obviously I will try my best to deliver some quizzes or practice tests for you, so that you can challenge yourself, you can test yourself. Now, who is this course for? If you want to learn code through building fun and useful projects, then take this course. If you want to start your own business, make your own websites, web apps, or even want to work for a company, just take this course. If you are a seasoned programmer, then take this course to get up to speed quickly with the latest frameworks and Node.js. And if you're just like me, I just had the last reason. If you want to take one course and learn everything you need to know about web development, then surely take this course. So why I came up with this idea? You see that post-pandemic world is not like pre-pandemic world. And while I was learning economics at the moment, I thought that this will become obsolete. So why don't I step forward and move to digital world? I started digital marketing, and I'm planning of showing that to my viewers. If we'll cooperate well with each other, if we support each other, I have planned that I'm going to start teaching digital marketing as well. But let's focus on this. That at the moment I decided to learn digital marketing, to learn web development, to learn app development, and I paid heavily for such courses. And then I thought that, okay, I was able to save money, I'm privileged enough that I paid for the course, that will obviously help me. Knowledge always helps, or skills always help. So I thought that what there is a person in the world who has passion for web development but isn't able to pay to get to learn such skill. And now after pandemic, it's not necessary. We must adapt to the new environment. We must adopt what the current situation is. We must move forward. So if, God forbid, something else similar to corona or COVID occurs again, we won't suffer did that we have been suffering for the last couple of years. So I decided that okay, I paid for the course, but I'm going to make a course for each and everyone who won't have to pay, whose cost will just be a like, share, subscribe, comment, and effort that they must put for watching this free course and to become a certified, equivalent to a certified full stack web developer. So I think this is getting too much. So what could be the prerequisites? I think prerequisites would be that you must be familiar to Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Is that correct? No, no prerequisites. Literally, no prerequisites. And the other thing is that there won't be anything paid. I have tried my best to provide you with the material, the softwares that are free of cost. So you just need to invest your time and effort, and you will obviously get a skill that you won't regret. So let's begin our journey. I hope that we are going to move forward. I will try my best to deliver value to you, and you must pay me back. How are you going to pay me back? You'll pay me back by commenting, by giving your feedback, by providing your response that if it was valuable or if there is any query, just feel free to ask. Like, share, and subscribe. Obviously, that will motivate me to obviously invest more time. If I'll get value, you'll get value, you'll get value, I'll get value. So it's totally a win-win situation. So let's move forward. We shouldn't waste our time, and we must dive in the course. So let's begin this journey. We all must be excited because we are going to learn something new, or we are going to polish something that we have already learned. So let's dive into this course. We discussed earlier that there are no prerequisites. So let's jump into this thing. Now, what is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? Now, just to make things easier for us and to understand what these technical terms mean, obviously we are going to use these terms continuously in our journey. So what is HTML? HTML, you can say HTML is gray structure of a building or a house. A house just with bricks, cement, and each and everything. The gray structure of the house will be declared as HTML. Obviously, you can see the house, you can see the house structure, rooms, bedroom, each and everything, but something is missing. So thing that is missing is paint to beautify our house, to decorate our house. And for that reason, we have CSS. All the styling on our website is done by CSS. Similarly, our house beautifies after we paint our house with different colors or wallpapers or whatsoever we like. So HTML is the gray structure of house, its skeleton. CSS is the paint of the house, it beautifies, it gives style. And now what is JavaScript? JavaScript are interior designers, interior decorators that give, you can say, meaningful structure, that give meaningful behavior, so that the house or different parts of house can show their behavioral description, that what can they do, how can they do. If I've confused you more than before, then I'm sorry for that. But you'll make it will get clear as the time passes, and as we start working over all this, it will become clear to you, and you will be able to make others understand much more in a much more better way than I made you, than I tried my best to make you understand what the JavaScript is. So HTML is skeleton, CSS is styling, and JavaScript is meaningful description of the house or the code or behavioral description. I told you earlier that I just made this channel so that we all can learn and we can use and utilize these skills to earn livelihood or just to follow our passion free of cost. That is why that I will be making all the lectures, the content will be the same, but obviously the language will be different. So one of my channel, my playlist will be in English, the other will be in Urdu. Obviously the links will be given in the description below, and whatsoever you feel, whichever channel you want to look, the language that you understand better, just follow. Ignore my English, ignore my voice. I'm sorry, you need to bear it, but you'll get, but it will prove itself fruitful after you learn these skills. So this is it for today. I hope that you understood. It was just you can say brief introduction and what we are going to do, who this course is for, and what are we expecting on both sides. So I will try my best to upload one video, you can say at least one video each week, so that we can move forward slowly with each other, learning and implementing, asking questions and supporting each other. So let's catch up again. Thank you very much for your time. I hope it was fruitful. We'll be waiting for your response. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.